Welcome guys, and thank you for your purchase. This video will link you to one of the following items for your Can-Am Ryker. Item number 1 is our universal luggage rack. It lets you mount any helmet case on the market. This is the strongest luggage rack on the market, and it is the only luggage rack that does not hit your back tire every time you hit a pothole. Item number 2 is our gear shift extender. It's the least expensive hands-free model on the market. No more dirty germs on your riding gloves. Item number 3 is our water bottle holder. It's the only model on the market that's adjustable and does not hit your handlebars. And finally, item number 4 is our docking station with or without power sockets. Guys, this is the only docking station that is adjustable for your height, and it's the only docking station in which the USB socket automatically turns itself on and off. Okay guys, follow the links in the description to see your installation videos. There's also some information on how to get additional discounts if there are any other products you want. Feel free to use the email address down there to get in touch with us at any time. Be well, take care of each other, and I'll see you in the next video.